sent us because I think it's too rough for you.
This bee over here.
I like a good bee. A big one?
Big one. He's Master Bee.
My gosh.
Is it real? No, it's
Is
definitely
it a camera? A drone?
That ain't real. Take videos so we know what they used to look like back in there.
Back in the day.
There's another one.
Sure.
Eventually. Yeah, it is. Look at this bear.
Freaky. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, smell it.
I can't find anything.
There's another one down here. For short people.
Wow.
Now look at.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, freaky.
Now look at this, because they're wild. They get to come in and go whenever they want. That's pollen, so the ones that have that dark color would be pollen. The honeycombs, you know, those, some are filled and some are empty.
Yeah.
And if you look over here, I'll tell you what they mean. On where they were at.
Oh, I remember you were telling me about it.
I did tell a little story about that, but they don't make stuff like they used to. That was $5. Remember I used to be able to take everybody for everything because $5.
And even then, no, that one was donation, wasn't it? Canned donation?
Sure.
That one.
Oh, that one's crazy looking.
Need a hiking stick?
It is in walking distance.
I thought the beehive entrance was over here, but not. It's further down, I guess.
Easy off the hands or stone.
Probably off on the other side of that road.
Yeah.
That was very cool. That was one of the coolest things to me.
What about up here? I'll give you a boost. Ready?
Come on, Nolan, get up there.
Come on.
What a shame, I can't figure it.
Try.
They're there if you want.
Yogi Bear? He was in a tree. Did it like a crack through it?
Yeah?
He did
That
it.
makes sense. Am I in the way?
I'm walking that way. Wait, no, you're not. Nolan's big head's in the way.
Typical.
Nolan, you big head blocked my whole video.
Wow.
Did you try it already? Oh. I trust you. No, I didn't know if you actually
I'm trying to get in there.
gave it a shot or not. There's a window. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Giant frog head above.
Ready? I got a nice.
Oh. Whoa. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
know, I wasn't even trying, so
You were out of rent.
I didn't even try, so I didn't lose. You wanna go down those stairs?
Sure.
It's a rock.